Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to go downstairs and get food.
That'll be difficult.
I accept.
What we accept.
Go.
Stop.
Go. Hold it.
I think we're clear.
I don't know what's coming to you. Get caught in the crossfire. We're here.
To the fridge.
I'm not being on the floor.
We're clear. Come on.
You can open it. Wait. Alright.
Mission success.
Ha!